Today I want to talk about troubleshooting Windows PATH issues. So if I type command set, one of the things there will be called path. Now if you look at, this is your path, and you see it's really lots of stuff here, and it gets full pretty quick, especially when you install lots of command line programs. And eventually gonna reach a limit where you can't add more. So you have to clean it up. But how do you clean it up? I mean, looking at this, it's not very easy to figure this out. So what I did, I wrote a little utility which is available on GitHub. And here's our link, checkpath go. Now what we can do, we can basically go to releases. And in our case we're using Windows, so we can go and download a Windows edition. So now I'm gonna execute that utility that I have downloaded. So what we can see here is we're running on Windows 64-bit edition. Currently the path is 1830 characters long. The max is 4K. Now here we have alphabetical sorting of every path entry. And for each path we can see how many files we have in that folder. So from this screenshot it's clear there's no issue with my path. There's no empty folders or folders that do not exist. But if you had an issue, we'll get like 3 asterisks here, and that will show you what the issue is, and then you can manually go and remove that path entry from your environment variable.